name is Siddhes Tripathy. I had completed my BTech from Baleshwar College of Engineering and Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. I had joined Jspiders Hebbal in the month of March. Here I had enrolled myself in a Java full stack developer. Here I gained knowledge or in-depth knowledge in Java, web technology and SQL. I want to thank Siddhes sir who taught me web technology, Akshay sir who taught me Java, and Chandrakha ma'am who taught me SQL, as well as Rahul sir who taught me Active. Here I had attend the presentation classes, which is helpful for me to improve my communication skills. I want to thank all the HRs for adding me for various requirements, and I want to thank once again thanks Hebbal management for giving me for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.